What happens when two powerful forces within you want to move in completely different directions? The Chariot begins with this inner conflict.
The Chariot represents direction, determination, self-control, and the courage to take command of where your life is moving. After the Lovers teaches conscious choice, the Chariot asks whether you can now stand firmly behind that choice and move forward. The opposing creatures represent your conflicting emotions, desires, fears, and doubts, forces that can pull you away from your true purpose. Victory does not come from destroying one side of yourself. It comes from aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions toward one direction. The Chariot teaches that confidence is not the absence of uncertainty. It is moving forward without surrendering your purpose or direction. In daily life, this means choosing discipline over distraction, courage over hesitation, and commitment over the comfort of giving up.
But its shadow warns against control without balance, moving too quickly, forcing results, and forgetting why you began the journey. Ask yourself, what must you lead with greater focus today? Comment below, share this lesson, and subscribe as the journey continues.